You bring it close like this, then knot it up at the back. Okay, make sure it's firm. Then you bring out the long end. This is what we are going to work with, the chiffon fabric. Then you hold it together, and twist it in, and twisting in this way, twist it in like so, twist it in. Very simple, easy head wrap. Very simple and easy head wrap. So I twisted it in. See the back side. Twisted, and then take it across this way. Take it across. Take it across on top, then continue twisting, rolling, keep rolling it, keep rolling. So when you get to the end, you take it, you pass it in front, don't take it to the back, pass it through the front side, front this way, and finish up your rolling. Finish up rolling and tuck it in at the back. Tuck it in at the back and make sure it's firm, or if it's not firm it will pull out. So I want to make sure it's very firm. So arrange to your taste, and that is all there is to this head wrap style. We have our 2 rows chiffon fabric head wrap. Now let's see the back, how it looks like at the back. That's the back for you. This is the side, and this is the second side. So that's all there is to it. So we are going to embellish right now. I chose an orange embellishment to beautify the head wrap. You can place it anywhere. You can place it here if you like, or here, depends on your choice. So let's start here, see how it looks like. I have my pin, so I'll place it here. And how is it? Okay, so that's for this side. If you like, you can place it here, you can place it anywhere. Okay, so let's place it on the other side and see how it looks like. Let's place it here. Wow. So here, let's tuck it into the roll. tuck it into the row and so here we have it, and arrange properly to your desired taste and style. So here we have our chiffon. Our chiffon head wrap is ready. You know, simple and elegant. I hope you like it. If you like this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. See you again next time.